And those who deposit the money using P2P, this is where it is located. You just click on it. Hello, welcome to this tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can navigate on Deriv. So Deriv updated their website and it no longer looks the same way it used to do. So let's say that you do not have an account. Click the link in the description, create an account, and then after creating an account, you may need to verify your identity. So it is here you can just trade without verifying your identity, but it is just the best to verify your identity so that your money does not get stuck here. So after creating your account, just open Deriv Traders Hub here. So you just open it and then you'll be able to see the apps there. So you can see this dashboard is just different from the old one. So on the home, we have this option trading, and then option trading is where you just select whether you want to go to Deriv Trader or Deriv Bot or Smart Trader. So when you tap it, this will be opening on the side, and then you get to choose what you need. So here we have the one that I suggested or recommended to you. So these are accounts that you can open and start trading. So we have MetaTrader 5. We have also MetaTrader 5, but for gold. So this is just dedicated for gold, where you get to see that here we have less fees when you trade gold on this account. Here we have CTrader. Here we have the swap free MetaTrader 5 here. You can also see all these apps by just selecting on CFDs here. So you can just select them and you'll be able to see all this. But when you are on a demo account, you will not be able to see copy trading using Nakala. So let's say you change to demo, that option will just disappear. So let us change again. You see this option is just appearing. And then we have the options here where you can just proceed also to choose. So here, this is just the option trading that you can also choose here. We have just similar functionalities are the same as the ones that are here. But here, you can just proceed to trade with accumulators here, or turbos or vanilla, Mat Plus, all of them are just here. Or you can just proceed to Deriv Bot. And then we have this app. This is a mobile trading app that you can download and then start trading. So this supports multiplier and all options that are on the Deriv Trader. So this is a better app if you want to trade Deriv Trader. So you can just download it if you are using a mobile, and then you can trade on that. And then the next thing is these wallets. So these wallets are a bit different. For those using the old version of Deriv, they will not be able to see these wallets. So here is where you can just deposit your money. Let's say that you tap on this deposit. You'll be able to choose the amount of dollars you will be depositing, and then here you have the method of deposit that you will be using to deposit. So let's say that you use M-Pesa, MTN, Airtel, all of them. You can just select them and then enter the amount. So the least amount is $10. You just enter. So you can proceed and deposit the money there. Now we have different wallets here. You can transfer money from this wallet to this wallet. You just come here on transfer, and then you will see all those options to do that. So what I can do to show you that, there is this demo. So you can see here we have the demo. If you need to transfer from a demo wallet to another, you can see we have all this. So I just proceed with the real account. So we see all these options. So here we have also this XRP wallet. You can just tap on it and add it. After doing that, you will be able to transfer all this. So here you are still able to trade in form of crypto. If you want to trade using Bitcoin, you are still able to do that. And those who deposit the money using P2P, This is where it is located. You just click on it, but you need to have verified your identity and phone number to be able to buy from these people. So for example, if I click that, you will see that I have not done that one. So you can see I need to do all this. But nowadays with the address, you can just open the location and you'll be able to just verify that one. So I will not do that. There is also payment agents. These are just people who withdraw the money and then they can deposit for you. So these are just good if you want to deposit a lot of money and you do not need to use P2P. So you can use these payment agents because they are at least legit. They will not scam you. First, you need to chat them and then agree on all those. You can also withdraw your money here and then all that. But if you fear them, you can just proceed to withdraw using the website here. The only thing is the fee. The fee might be higher, so some people might consider to use those payment agents or P2P. That is why people go to there. So you can also find someone who has a lot of ratings here. As you can see, this person, those people will not scam you. So you also need to find people like this. You can see all these reviews. These are people who cannot scam you your money. So when you are depositing, when you are drawing, you can do that. That is it. If you have a question on how to navigate on this website, you're still free to ask in the comment section. If you do not have an account, create using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.